If you receive this frightening email from YouTube, this is definitely no joke. It is telling you that your channel has been inactive with no new videos uploaded for the past several months. This usually means about 6 months of inactivity. So if you don't upload a new video within 6 months, you might get this warning email from YouTube. Anyways, you have 30 days to meet the minimum requirement to be eligible in order to continue having monetization. Unfortunately, as some people have claimed that all you have to do is upload a new video within 30 days and your channel will stay monetized. This is not true. Unless you actually meet the 4,000 watch hours requirement in 30 days, your channel will lose monetization status. This has happened to my other channel. After losing monetization for my channel, you have to meet the minimum requirement as seen here and then reapply for monetization when requirements are met, which is 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. This is a new YouTube monetization policy, and so to stay monetized, make sure to upload a video at least once every few months and keep above 4,000 watch hours in any 365-day period. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips. Thank you and take care.